I welcome you all to FM African Documentary. We bring to you the stories concerning the African legends and African stories concerning the African cities. Today, we are in Kenya, and the story that I'm bringing to you is concerning one man that is currently being elected as the president of this country as per the votes that were casted a few days ago. William Samoei Ruto. Today we look at an icon in the African politics together with his family, William Samoei Arap Ruto. From beating every obstacle as a village boy in a poor family in Kamagut village to becoming the 5th president of Kenya. From also overcoming the cases of ICC where he was termed to have been one person among the 6 people that were termed as the Ocampo 6 who had violated the humanity laws in the country. So today, Ruto, we are looking at his family and we are looking at his kids. Ruto is known by his wife, Rachel Ruto, as the only wife, and she is the mother of his 6 kids. And to start today, namely, we will start with the firstborn to Deputy President William Ruto, now the president-elect of this country. His firstborn goes by the name of Nick Ruto. He is a lawyer, married, a graduate from the Catholic University in Nairobi. On second is Stephen Ruto. She is the firstborn daughter to DP Ruto, studied media, and little is known concerning this lady. The second one is Chelin Chelagat Ruto. She manages the Ruto's multi-billion business empire. She graduated from Daystar University with a degree in communication. From there, we go to June Ruto. She is number 4. She studied media too and was once the ambassador of Kenya to Poland. She was also married to Alexander Zenagu, a very prolific lawyer and lecturer from Nigeria. Then on number 5 is George Ruto. He is the last born son to DP Ruto. Ruto is known by his 2 sons, Nick and George, and the last one is George. He is a pilot and he graduated about 1 year ago, because while his father was campaigning, that's when he revealed that his son graduated as a pilot and he flies the Fly Emirates planes. Number 6 is Nandi Ruto. This is the daughter that DP Ruto adopted after hearing the story of this little girl. Most of the functions that Ruto shows up, you have seen this beautiful girl that Ruto adopted after she was dumped by her mother. On number 7 is Abi Cherop Ruto. This is the daughter that DP Ruto had outside his Wenlock. Her mother goes by the name of Prisika Jamotai, and a case was raised in the year 2015 where the mother sued DP Ruto claiming that he was not giving child upkeep. Ruto is believed to have fathered 11 children, but only 7 are known to the public. That's it for now. Go ahead and subscribe. See you in the next video.